Hostinger versus Bluehost. In this 2025 comparison, will help you decide which hosting platform fits your needs better. So make sure to like and subscribe. So let's compare them. Number 1, their performance and speed. Hostinger uses light-speed servers and global data centers, resulting in fast loading times and solid uptime even under heavy traffic. On the other hand, Bluehost relies on traditional Apache servers and offers decent performance, but it's slightly slower compared to Hostinger in most benchmarks. Number 2 is their pricing. Hostinger remains one of the most affordable hosting providers with prices starting under $3 a month. It is often bundled with a free domain and SSL, while Bluehost is slightly more expensive with basic plans starting closer to 3.95 a month and fewer discounts for short-term plans. Number 3 is of use. Both offers beginner-friendly dashboards. Hostinger uses its custom Edge panel, which is slick and minimalistic, while Bluehost uses a modified cPanel, which is more traditional and may feel a bit dated but still functional. Number 4, features. Hostinger includes free weekly backups, light-speed caching, free migration, and malware scanning, while Bluehost offers WordPress-specific features, staging sites, and good integration with Mojo Marketplace. However, many features are locked behind higher-tier plans. Lastly is their support. Both of them offers 24/7 support via chat, while Hostinger has strong knowledge base and fast response times, and Bluehost also offers phone support, but users report slower response via live chat. So for final verdict, if you're budget conscious and you want excellent speed, you can go for Hostinger. But if you prefer phone support and stronger WordPress tools, you can go for Bluehost. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.